Hello and welcome to this tutorial on the Tools module in Koha. Today, I'll guide you step by step through three key features such as barcode label generation, calendar settings, and news display. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to use these tools to streamline library operations. So, let's get started. First, let's learn how to generate barcode labels for library items. Here's how you can do it. To access the label creator, click on the cataloging on the home page. Under the Tools section, select Label Creator. Let's understand the Label Creator menu. There are two tabs on the menu bar. New, for creating new labels. Manage, to manage older templates and layouts. To create a label template, select the New tab and click on Label Template. Fill in the page setup details. Once you save, a template ID is automatically generated. Add a template name and description for easy identification. After saving, your template will appear under the Manage tab in Label Templates. Now, let's see how to design a layout. Click on the New tab, then Layout. Name your layout, select the barcode type encoding, and choose the layout type. Under Bibliographic Data to print, select the fields you want to display. Use the Test Justification option to preview the text placement. Customize fonts, styles, and then click on Save. All saved layouts will appear under the Manage tab. After designing a layout, create batches. Click on the New tab, then Label Batch. Enter the barcode numbers in the provided field and click Add Item. This will fetch data like title and author from your database. To print these, choose Export Full Batch for all data or export selected items for specific items. On the confirmation screen, select the template and layout, then click Export. The labels will be exported as a PDF file, ready for printing. Now, let's explore calendar settings in the Koha. The calendar feature helps to manage library holidays to prevent fines from being incorrectly calculated. Here's how to use it. To access the calendar, go to the Tools from the home page and under Additional Tools, select Calendar. Choose the library for which you want to set the calendar. A calendar view will appear. To add a holiday, click on the desired date. A small window will open. Enter the holiday details. Options like repeated holidays and date ranges can also be set. Once saved, the holiday is marked on the calendar. To add a range of holidays, select a start date and an end date. Check the appropriate options and save. This is useful for marking extended closures like festivals or maintenance periods. Finally, let's talk about displaying news on the OPAC and staff interface. This feature is great for announcements, event updates, or library notices. Under Tools, click on News in the Additional Tools section. A new window will open. Click on New Entry where you can enter the details. Display location, choose OPAC, staff interface, or both. Library, specify the library where the news will appear. Publication date, set when the news should be visible. Expiration date. Title and description, add the content of your announcement. Save the details, and the news will appear on the dashboard in a neat tabular form. You can edit or remove news entries anytime through the same interface. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or need a refresher, feel free to revisit this video. Have a great day and happy managing!